No, say it again. What are you doing, Kyle?
I'm just hydrating my mouth before I eat the cinnamon. I think I can do this.
And how much cinnamon is there in your hand?
Just a teaspoon.
Okay.
It sucks, eh?
Oh! That's the worst. Oh! 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 Wow! Oh, is this a mess?
Oh no!
Oh,
And how do you feel now?
pretty bad. Never gonna do that again.
Now you
Oh,
can say that you tried it.
yeah.
Okay, I'm ending it.
YOLO, right?
Worst.
Press it.
Oh. Oh.
Why doesn't this end?